Spending too much time on payments? Payoneer is designed especially for freelancers, so you can get your time back. I'm Lauren, and here's how to get the most out of your Payoneer account. If you're working on a marketplace, make sure to select Payoneer as your preferred payment method. Working directly with clients around the world? Get paid like a local into your very own receiving account for every major currency. Or request a payment and give your clients the flexibility to pay you with their preferred payment method. Easily track the status of each request and get notified the moment your payment lands. Got paid? Use the funds to pay your suppliers directly to their bank accounts or into their Payoneer accounts. Handle business expenses like digital marketing campaigns with your Payoneer Commercial Mastercard. You can also use the card at the nearest ATM. Or withdraw the funds to your local bank account with just a few clicks. Take back your time with Payoneer and use it for what matters most, growing your business.